In this video, I'm going to show you how Lovable, Bolt, and Vercel V0 stack up as vibe coding tools. So to get started, Lovable focuses on generating full stack applications using AI-driven suggestions with impressive UI scaffolding. It helps you design both front-end and back-end components quickly with a strong emphasis on user experience and visual design. Lovable shines if you want a polished, almost no-code feel with high-quality design aesthetics. Bolt, on the other hand, positions itself as an AI code editor with real time collaborative features and powerful backend generation. It's designed for coders who want speed but still maintain control over logic and structure. Bolt allows you to write custom code while letting AI handle boilerplate and repetitive patterns, making it ideal for developers who don't want to fully surrender control. Virtual version 0 focuses on front end design to code workflows. It takes design files like Figma and instantly converts them into production ready React components. If your main challenge is translating design into clean front end code, V0 excels. However, it's less focused on back-end logic compared to Lovable or Bolt. In short, Lovable is perfect for full stack auto generation. Bolt is for semi-assisted serious coding, and Virtual V0 for design to code workflows. And that's how Lovable, Bolt, and Vercel V0 compare as vibe coding tools.